We're teaching a new movement every day for 12 days. It's our little gift to you to help keep you saner and also moving better throughout the holidays. Have fun with it and don't forget to enter for daily prizes and the biggest grand prize we've ever given away. And remember, this isn't about mastering the movement or trying to do it perfectly. It's all about exploring what your body's capable of at the current level you're at right now. So take it easy, make sure to breathe, and have fun with it. Let's get into it. You've probably done all these variations today, but I want you to just kind of put that to the side, look at these movements as if you've never done them before. First variation that we're going to have you do is simply where you squat down, starting with your hands behind you in the ski jump position. From here, you're going to swing your arms up into the air, jump, landing as quietly as possible in the same position. So one more time, ski jump position, arms up into the air, landing softly. That's our first variation. Second one, I want you to pretend that there is a line. And as a matter of fact, if you can, stand on a line. That would be great. All you're going to do is jump up into the air, turn, and try and land on that line facing the opposite direction. But you're trying to not go forward, nor are you trying to go backwards. So one more time, Chris is going to jump up in the air and turn, landing right back on that line. That is our second variation. Third one, I'm going to ask Chris to face this way. What he's going to do now is, rather than think of jumping as far as possible, you want to land with control. So Chris is going to start in that ski jump position, driving his hips forward, landing softly. That is the third variation. I'm going to ask Chris to turn around, or actually walk back there. One more time there. Big jump, big jump, big jump. Up in the air, land softly. Those are our movements for today. All right, go give today's move a try. And remember, it's not about doing things perfectly. It's about exploring what your body can do and having some fun.